Grace, are you ready? We're gonna be late. Almost. I just need to find something to take along with me. Do you think flowers are okay? Flowers are perfect. Or you could bring a small gift, like a candle or something for the home. Oh, that's a better idea. There's a shop on the way. Let's stop there on our way. Okay, but please be fast. You know how you are. I'll be fast, I promise. Do I look okay? You look great. Stop worrying. I just don't want to feel out of place. I only know Sandra from work. I don't know any of her other friends. That's fine. A party is the best place to meet new people. Just smile and be yourself. Easy for you to say. You talk to everyone like you've known them for years. And by the end of tonight, you will too. Come on, let's go.
Grace! Ada, you came! Welcome, welcome!
Sandra, congratulations on your new home. We're so happy for you.
Thank you so much. Make yourselves comfortable.
Your place looks amazing, Sandra. I love what you've done with it. Thank you. I just moved in 2 weeks ago. I'm still decorating, but I wanted to celebrate with everyone first. It's so beautiful. I love the colors on the wall.
Oh, thank you, Grace. I painted that myself, actually.
No way! You painted it yourself? That's impressive.
It took me 3 days, but I love how it turned out. Here, let me take your gift. Oh, a candle! I love this. Thank you so much.
We hope you like it.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Let's look at some useful phrases from this part of the conversation. Feel out of place? You can say this when you are in a situation where you feel like you don't belong or don't fit in. Make yourselves comfortable. You can say this when you are welcoming guests into your home and you want them to relax. That's impressive. You can say this when someone has done something that surprises you in a good way. Help yourselves. You can say this when you are telling guests they are free to take food or drinks without waiting to be served. Be yourself. You can say this to encourage someone to relax without pretending to be someone else. Question time! Why is Grace feeling nervous about the party? What did Grace and Ada bring as a gift? What did Sandra do to decorate her new apartment? That's it for part 1. Hit the like button, it helps more people find this channel. And if you don't want to miss part 2, subscribe and tap the bell right now.